Hey, it's Krista with WTI. And if you're a pet lover like me, you know that taking good care of our furry friends is very important to us. Keeping dogs' food fresh is an essential task of a dog mom. And that's why I'm so happy to share my firsthand experience using this Gamma2 Vittles Vault dog food storage container. First things first, let's talk durability. This container is strong. It's made of heavy-duty, food-grade plastic, so it is safe to store inside of your home for convenience. You see this airtight seal? They don't call this container a vault for nothing. The benefits are twofold. It locks food freshness in, so your dog always gets the most fresh and crunchy meal, but it also locks in that food scent, so your kitchen doesn't smell like dog kibble. This 25-pound capacity is the perfect size to store nearly a whole month of meals for my mid-sized dog. This food vault is incredibly user-friendly. It has a wide opening, which makes scooping my dog's food out very simple. It also has an easy-to-turn lid that has a little reminder of which direction to turn to open or close. This storage container is a solution that makes my life easier and keeps my dog's food that much fresher. It's durable, it has ample capacity, and it's super easy to use. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.